Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The previous time you are tackling on Cramer's rule 2 by 2 matrix. Now in this video we'll be looking at the 3 by 3 matrix using Cramer's rule, and I hope that you are going to learn together. So in this example we have been asked to solve the following equations using Cramer's rule. So in short, we have been asked to find the value of x1, x2, and x3 using Cramer's rule. So in that case, the first step, we are going to place these equations in form of a matrix. That is 4, 1, -5, -2, 3 and 1, 3, -1 and 4. Then the values of unknown, x1, x2, and x3 is equals to 8, 12, and 5. So in order to solve x1, we are going to replace the total column in the first column. This is the first, this is the second, and the third column. To solve for x2, we are going to replace the total column in the second column. Then to solve for x3, we are going to replace the total column in the third column. So we are going to start with the value of x1. x1, so we have said the total column, you place it in the first column, the other columns will remain the same. 8, 12, 5, 1, 3, -1, -5, 1, 4. Then you divide with 4, -2, 3, 1, 3, -1, -5, 1, and 4. You are dividing with the initial matrix that you had. So to find that value, we are going to find the determinant of the numerator and the determinant of the denominator, then you divide them. So for the numerator, 8, 12, 5, and you are going to solve it using the Cramer's rule, the one that is usually in this format. So 1, 3, -1, -5, 1, 4. So you repeat the first two columns. They become the fourth and the fifth column. 8, 12, 5. And this other column, 1, 3, -1. Then you are going to multiply them while slanting, starting with the 8, the one that is at the topmost. So 8 times 3 times 4 times 3 times 4. You add with 1 times 1 times 5. Then you add with -5 times 12 times -1. So when you solve 8 times 3 times 4, you are going to get 96. You add 1 times 1 times 5, that is 5. Then you add with -5 times 12 times -1, that is 60. So 96 plus 5 plus 60, that is 161. Then the other one, you do also starting on the left side, right side. So it's going to be 112, 4, 1 times 12 times 4. You add with 8 times 1 times -1. Then you add -5, 3, and 5. -5 times 3 times 5. So in that case, 1 times 12 times 4, that is 58. You minus 8, then minus 5 times 3 times 5, that is 75. So 48 minus 8 minus 8 minus 8 minus 75, you are going to get it as -35. So you less the two of them. So it's going to be 161. You less minus 35. Minus minus, that is positive. So you're going to get 161 plus 35, which is 196. So this is the determinant of the numerator. You do the same for the to find the determinant of the denominator also. So it's going to be 4, negative 2, 3, 1, 3, negative 1, negative 5, 1, and 4. So you repeat the first two columns, 4, negative 2, 3, 1, 3, and negative 1. Then you start multiplying them diagonally. 4 times 3 times 4. You add 1 times 1 times 3. Then you add negative 5 times negative 2 times negative 1. So 4 times 3 times 4, that is 48. You add 1 times 1 times 3, that is 3. Then plus, so minus 5 times minus 2 minus 10, that is negative 10. So you are going to get 48 plus 3 minus 10, which is 41. So then you do the same, starting with the one that has 1. So it's going to be 1, negative 2, and 4. You add with 4 times 1 times negative 1. Then you add negative 5 times 3 times 3. So 1 times negative 2 times 4, that is negative 8 minus 4 minus 5 times 3 times 3, that is 45. So when you add them together, that is 57. Then you less the first diagonal, less them each with the second diagonal. 41 minus, it's just minus 57. Minus 57. So minus minus, that is a positive. So it's going to be 57 plus 41, which is 98. So the determinant of the denominator, it is 98. If you wanted to find the value of x1, so it's going to be 196 divided by 98, which is going to be 2. So the value of x1 is 2. So you are going to do the same for x2 and x3 also. For solution of the x2 and x3, you can subscribe. I can watch it in the next video that I will be uploading shortly. Bye.